Nigeria ka na-ekwu maka ya. Umunri bụ mgbunu, ada ebu mgbu egbunu. Asị na anyị kọba mamịrị ọnụ, ọ bụ ọfụfụ. Ofu obi ka Umunri jaka, ofu n'okwu gava jaka nọ. Umunri sọ. Anyị ekele ndị Umunri ji kwụrụ n'ụwa. Ndị Igbo a onye ọma ji banye na anyị nyere ya ọfọ n'ụwa. Anyị agbapụbezie ebe nọ n'ikechi ọnụ na mkpụkụla anyị Chukwu. Onye ọma kwụba narị Igbo n'azụ n'ụwa. Ekele na ụdị isi nwosu Ebu chairman anyị, Managing Director, Njikọ Ọka Transport Limited, Nigeria. Chief M.O. Mbolu, President General anyị nụ, Nri Progress Union, Nigeria. Obi Ekunye, Ọchọmma obodo ya. Anyị ekenebezi aka na-edela anyị akwụkwọ nụ. Secretary General anyị nụ, Felix Amandia na-eze Okoye. Onye ọma gaba na Umunri Igwe n'azụ nụ. Anyị ji ya gala. Isi mmụọ na-eke. Orimili atụ nnu. Onye ọma na-edi anyị ụsọ. Umunri dị nsọ. Anebu anebu, anebu anebu. Umunri fadị ụsọ. Umunri fadị ụsọ. Famebasi na faneme kanu kafase mekesi kwuo. Ofoku kafa jaga o. Akazugo Ubadana de Original Central Onyoma na gị n'osili gbara akwụkwọ n'oge Chukwu Anne Eliakụ Isaac Udezire onye ọcha nna ya dị ojinu Lekenu Prince RN Tabasi Orimili nwa welite akụ Patrick Egolumu ọnwa na-etili ọra nọ asị na ọnwa pụtara afọ ya nọ Innocent Ikabụ eze anyị m n'ezienụ nwa welugonu Godi Tabansi Agụ Ilili Chief Dominic Ifezue ọnụ na-ekwula ọra nọ onye ọma kwubenu mụ ese na azụnụ onye ọma na-eji anyị nsọ nọ
Igwe nwere nke adịghị n'iru
akwanye ga eji wee si na ọchịrị n'ụlọ ochu ụlọ ọrụ ọkwasịrị okwu ka ọmụdụ ndị m ọbịbịa m bịara South Africa ya mana agwa m oyihe ọma ifo ebe ọrụ nọ nnọọ wee chee uche wee si na unu chọrọ eze mfiesa ọya kwa agwa ụnụ
in the history of Igbo people in South Africa. It's a remarkable day. It is a day we get into the new season, a new dawn, a new year. So if you are not aware of what we are here today or what we gathered to do today, it is a day we are celebrating the new season. Hence we call it New Yam Festival. So it's a cultural and traditional affair or event. As we are opening up now, we have a series of programs lined up for you to keep the evening exciting. I would like to introduce myself. Of course, I should have done that in the beginning. My real name is Chukwunoso Obiora. I'm the Vice Chairman of Umunri Welfare Association. And I am today's Program Director. Once again, sit down, relax, and enjoy yourself for the evening. I would like to introduce the first MC, being our English MC, who will be interpreting everything that the Igbo MC will be saying. He is no other person and Mr. Hilary Ojukwu, the editor, Uhuru Spirit. Please, can we give it a hand of applause? Thank you, Mr. Hilary. Thank you. Uhuru Spirit. And our other MC, who is a very notable, popular face in this land. Almost all of us know him. He's very good at what he does. He knows the job inside out. His name is Obele Zenwafada. People's Choice Entertainment.
Thank you, the Vice Chairperson of Umunri Welfare Association, South Africa, Nonso Obiora, for that powerful introduction. As I welcome everyone here, ladies and gentlemen, from far and wide, people that have come from different provinces and different countries to attend this very important event today, the 5th New Year Festival of Umunri Welfare Association South Africa. Igbo, you know, the festival, the feast, is like our Christmas, the most important festival in Igbo land.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Igbo kwano.
Yeah.
Igbo kwano.
Yeah.
Igbo kwazono.
Yeah.
Viva South Africa, viva.
Viva.
Is there no South Africa in the house? Viva South Africa, viva.
Viva.
Viva South Africa, viva.
Viva.
Put your hands together for yourself. You are wonderful people. Put your hands together for yourself. Appreciate yourself.
Amanda.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Umunri Welfare Association, Western Cape, for giving me this platform to perform, to be one of the MC tonight on this New Yam Festival, Erimji Ndibo. I am proud to be here, and I'm proud to be an Igbo man. It's not by my power, but God. I welcome each and every one of you tonight, here present, my fans, my brothers and sisters, our wife from South Africa, our wife from Nigeria. You all are welcome. I appreciate you. I would like to introduce myself. My girlfriend have done that, but I like to do it in my own way, in the language you will understand. If you have your pen and paper, you can write it down. My name is Prince Chukwucheku Chigozie Vitus Aboy. By the special grace of God, I'm CEO of People's Choice Entertainment. And my title name is Aku na Latugo. Aku na Latugo. Ebubechukwu Uzo. Obeleze Nwafada. Okuru Arandigbo. South Africa.
The New Yam Festival, like I said before, is the most important event in Igbo land. You know, yam is the staple food, our staple food there in Igbo land. So at the end of the planting season, we kind of thank God for bountiful harvest, for the strength, for the means and capacity provided for us to be able to plant our food. You know, but these days we also use it to promote the importance of agriculture, you know, the importance of farming, you know, food security in Africa, you know, so that's why this event is very important. Even though we are here in South Africa, this is also part of the continent, you know, part of the African continent, and that is why we thank, you know, all the South African traditional leaders that are here already, you know, those that travel from different places to come and join us, you know, to promote this important African culture, you know. So thank you once again. Welcome to this very important event. Obeleze Nwafada.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, Ejimo Hore, wene keni Igbo bụ Igbo. Igbo onye Hausa, Igbo onye Yoruba, Igbo onye Benin. Are you South Africa? I welcome you once again. I want to take this opportunity to tell people, whether you're a white man, you're a black man, you're colored, wherever tribe you come from, it does not count. It does not matter. What matters is who you are. Be proud of who you are. Be proud of yourself. Say to yourself, I can do what I can do. But when you begin to understand yourself down, you are bringing yourself down. But you need to make yourself look big in the eyes of people and the eyes of God.
While we're still waiting for the
Thank you.
the majesties, that have traveled from Umunri Kingdom. Many of us, we need to think about the kingdom, the role of that kingdom in Africa. Umunri Kingdom existed in the 9th century, and today, the current king of the